Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's Wednesday morning, February 5th, and grain markets showing a little bit of back and fill here this morning. We've seen the sharp rally yesterday in the grain complex. Started out because of fundamental reasons, some reports on poor crop conditions on winter wheat, I think, was a big part of the fuel that fed the fire yesterday. And then we ran into some technical buying and fund buying and short covering. So a lot of interest yesterday. And I think the key today is what kind of technical follow-through buying we might see. We took out 20-day, 50-day moving averages in some contracts. We took out horizontal support. We took out some downtrend lines in a very oversold condition yesterday. So today's question will be, can we see some more technical follow-through? And I think that will be the question as we go forward here. In the fundamental side of things, on this rally, we've seen a pickup in farmer selling. The eastern corn belt still struggling because of the snowfall, but western areas did pick up movement, seen lower basis there in both corn and soybeans. The strength in the soybean meal domestically has been a big supporter of the soybean complex in this March contract. As we go into the potential for cancellation, switching of exports, we still seen a big demand and a price rally for the soybean meal here domestically. So that's providing some support. Traders are going to be looking into looking forward here to the export sales numbers tomorrow. Will we get cancellations or not? That's the big question. The question is, it's not when if we're going to get cancellations, it's when are we going to get cancellations. Exports out of Brazil continue to be pretty good. Reports from there show that their loading process has been excellent here for the last several weeks. They haven't had any rain in the port areas, so they can continue to load without any problems. So that has sent a lot of soybeans to China. The question will be now, when will they start shifting the U.S. purchases to Brazil? Argentina still is a turmoil point in the export market as farmers there continue to hold on to their soybeans very tightly because of the inflation, the devaluation of the currency, and the beans are being sold in dollars, so they're very valuable to them, so they're hanging on as long as possible. The crush margins here in the U.S. continue to be very good, continue to support and provide that underlying support in the soybean complex. Weather conditions, snow and cold weather across a lot of the Midwest here this morning is again slowing down movement of grain and providing some underlying support. We do have the USDA report coming out on Monday. Trade estimates by Reuters should be out here today, so we'll be looking for that and keep you informed on those numbers. The livestock markets, we've got cutout values in beef up 40 cents in choice. Finally, we're maybe seeing some stabilization in this product where retailers are coming back, doing a little bit of buying after over almost $25 drop in price. So that's providing some support. We've seen some cash cattle trade this week as much as $2 lower than last week. So we need to stop the free fall here, stop the falling knife, and if we can see any kind of turnaround in the futures and give the traders a reason to buy in the beef, we could see a nice bounce again as the basis for the contract, for the April contract, for instance, is historically wide, where normally we should see April futures above the cash. Currently, we got April futures below the cash, so there is some potential for some further volatility and support in that futures market. In the pork complex, The news continues to be about PED virus, showing that we've got more cases showing up. A new strain of the virus was found by Iowa State Diagnostic Lab here in Illinois and Missouri. So we're gonna have to face that problem as we go forward. We're finally seeing hog weights drop off a little bit, which is a good sign and maybe an indication that we're finally getting current at the farmer level there. So we could see some support, and that's providing some support to futures here this morning. Pork cutout values were up 97 cents yesterday. Again, pork is being favored over the high-priced beef that's hitting the retail counters right now. So a lot of things going on. A lot of reasons to stay in touch with Allendale's research. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.